Cassiopeia A, or Cas-A, is a supernova remnant located 11,000 light-years away in the constellation Cassiopeia. Cas-A measures about 13 light-years, or 76 trillion miles across, and is estimated to have exploded about 340 years ago as seen from Earth. In this image of Cassiopeia A, we witness a complex and dynamic system, a star that has explosively shattered, creating a shock wave colliding with the gas shed by the star before its explosion. The white smoky light is the aftermath of this event, representing radiation produced as the forward shock wave encounters and interacts with the surrounding medium. While Cas-A has been observed by many telescopes, Webb's high sensitivity reveals never-before-seen details. Within this image, we encounter minuscule fragments, tiny ejected bits of stellar debris comprised of sulfur, oxygen, argon, and neon, shown here in bright orange and light pink hues. The dark voids in the scene are caused by some of the minute fragments acting like shrapnel, piercing through the circumstellar gas and leaving a trail of cosmic bullet holes in their wake. Also present are what astronomers call light echoes. With these light echoes, we're seeing where the original light of the supernova has been absorbed and reprocessed as infrared light by surrounding interstellar material. It takes many years for the original light to travel this roundabout path. By observing this journey, astronomers are able to learn more about the object that emitted the light in the first place, the composition of the region, and the distances between celestial objects. Finally, we visit a particular light echo from an area filled with intricate dust patterns. Nicknamed Baby Cas-A because of its proximity and connection to the large supernova, Baby Cas-A appears to be nearby but is actually located 170 light-years behind the supernova remnant. The unprecedented detail captured in this new image of Cassiopeia A has allowed scientists to discern intricate small-scale structures within the remnants of a supernova. This newfound infrared clarity, only possible with Webb's instruments, enhances our understanding of the processes surrounding supernovae. By studying objects like Cas-A, astronomers can unravel the complexities of stellar explosions, trace the distribution of elements, and gain valuable insights into how new stars and planetary systems form.
That's all for now. Make sure you don't miss any updates by subscribing to the channel.